Hey guys, this is Doc Neo and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today is another unboxing and I'm very much excited because we are going to unbox something there behind me. So kita nyo naman, it's Insta360 Think Bold. This is actually my first Insta360 kasi I'm a DJI boy. So I'm excited and I will share to you experience ko with this compared to DJI. But first is just unboxing muna. So,
I found some web results. I can show them if you ask again from your iPhone.
oops, sorry guys. Akala niya siya yung nakausap ko. Anyway, so, ito muna, i-unbox muna natin yung mga freebies. So, nga pala guys, it came with, saan na yan? Came with stickers. So, this is interesting. Nakalagay, Think Bold. Yun talaga yung pinaka-tagline na Insta360. So, ano ba yan? Looks like a surfer, biker. Ang tawag dito? Yung ski. Mountain skier, skydiver, and someone na nagka-camping. So, off-roader camper. Sana maging yun ako in the future. So, ayan. And yun nga, Insta360 Think Bold may dalawa. Isang malaki at isang maliit. So, we will have fun with these stickers. And meron din siyang kasama, I think this is a water jug. Kasi nga ganyan. So, pwede natin gamitin sa gym to guys. Kasi medyo malaki yung ginagamit kong usual jug. So, ayan. Okay, what else? I had to purchase a memory card kasi wala akong extra memory card. Most of the DJI products kasi meron silang internal memory card. This one hasn't. So, of course, when able, pinili ko na yung malaki-laki. This is 512 gigabytes and it's from Insta360 mismo. Kasi syempre, may kind of security when you know na yung mismong brand yung ginagamit mo. Naghanap din naman ako sa Cyberzone ng other alternative, pero yun, hindi equivalent nito yung available. So, ayun, medyo nag-invest na rin ako dito sa memory card, which is magagamit ko naman on my other devices if ever. Ayan, so guys, ito na, the main event. The product that I got is the Insta360 Ace Pro 2. And this is specifically the flash print bundle. I'll capture the moment, print memory. So, ayan, di ba guys, mahilig ako sa mga mini printer. So, ito rin. Ano lang naman, nag-basic math lang ako. The bundle is relatively cheaper. Kasi plano ko before just to get the cam and then buy the accessories later. Pero, yun nga, yung package kasi mas madaming freebies. So, yeah, decided to get it na. Okay, so let's do the unboxing. Tanggalin muna natin itong plastic. Yeah. Yun lang nakaka-unbox ng ganitong package bundle, kumbaga. Same sa DJI, like 1/4 lang siguro. So, discard lang natin. It comes in a black box. Tapos may outline drawing. Ayan. So, what's inside? Nandito yung camera. 2 batteries, may standard mount, may mic cap, USB-C cable, quick start guide, the Explorer Grip Pro Kit, yun yung isa sa gusto ko or I really want to get. Tapos of course, they have the pocket printer, may flip screen hood, tapos ito yung mga freebie na sinasabi ko, yung classic leather case. Siyempre, kung binili mo siya isa-isa, wala yung classic leather case na yon. So, ayan, ano siya. Ganito pala siya guys. Pero, meron siyang tab na yellow. Let's do this. This should sound satisfying. Or not. Teka, tayo rin sa kabila. Yeah, okay. Tada! Ooh! So, pakita natin. Box natin like this. Oh! Di pala, pero may mga air bubble lang to keep it. But anyway, this is the pocket printer. Ayan. Flip screen hood. This is very nice. This is the leather camera case or camera carry bag. This is the actual product. And this is the Explorer Pro Kit. Yan. So, anong una natin i-unbox? Una natin buksan ay itong leather. Sige, pasok muna natin lahat ulit. So, let me press on it. Mag-off kasi. Okay, so, ayan. This is the leather carrying bag na actually, kasya sa lahat. Kasya lahat yan. Yung, including the printer. So, ayan. It's a very nice, parang napaka-vintage, style. Ayan. Very nice. And then, meron siyang, lanyard. Lanyard ba yung tawag dito? Or, So, ayun guys, hindi ko pa siya gagamitin or ikakabit. Pinakita ko lang sa inyo kung anong laman. So, genuine leather siya. Inside, parang felt material. Tapos, ayan. Okay. Ayan, meron din siyang mga kung saan pwedeng isingit yung mga bagay-bagay. Let's set this aside. Next is, sige, ito yung pocket printer. I-unbox lang natin guys. As I said, I just wanna show you what's inside. Ganito naman ako lagi pag nag-unbox. So, hindi naman to product review. Just wanna show what's inside. So, plastic, set aside. So, ganito yung itsura niya guys. Okay, how do you do this? Oh, mali pala. Buti hindi ko nasira. You open it dito sa side. Oops. Okay. Ooh. So, what's in this first box is looks like a connector. USB-A to USB-C. Basically, it's going to be used to charge it. Ooh. Meron siyang I think 10 pieces daw to eh. So guys, ito yung laman ng nung parang paper or cartridge. Parang cartridge siya. Tapos ganito siya. Ayan, nandiyan na siguro yung mga ink na included. And then what's this? I wonder what this is. Oops. Oh, so yeah. So ito yung parang pang mount dun sa ilalim ng ito siya, sa ilalim ng camera because you can actually use the printer by itself or alone or pwede mo i-mount sa camera, which is pag ginawa mo mukha siyang yung mga Polaroid cameras. Of course, there's the instruction manual. I never read. And meron siyang cool carrying pouch. Okay, and then this is the camera itself. Uy, medyo bigat din siya. So, ganito yung itsura nyo guys. So, I think, yeah, it will be like this. Yun. Paano nag-click? Paano ko siya i-unclick? Ayun, peppers ko lang doon. Hindi, ito yung pang-connect sa camera mismo. And, yun, if you use it, dito may charge. Okay, think bold. And dito lalabas yung picture when we print it. So, ayan. So, that's what's inside. Hindi ko pa siya i-install later ba. And set aside muna natin. Okay. Next. And welcome to the main event. Ito yung Insta360 Ace Pro 2. So, ayan. Black box. Details ng mga features. Was included yung camera. May 2 times battery daw. Standard mount. Mic cap. USB-C cable. And quick start guide. So, ayan. Use our golden scissors again to open. Yeah. Oops. Itatry ko pala siyang i-on because syempre, kung hindi mag-on, I have to replace it and evidence din yung video. So what's inside? So ayun guys, this is the okay. So sumasama siya dito yung mga documentation. And of course yung charger, USB-C to USB-C. Silica gel. Ano siyang parang rubber. I think this is protector ng lens. Yeah. And then ito yung mount, standard mount. Kinakabit siya sa ilalim and para siyang sa GoPro. And then may kasi ito yung parang what you call this? Parang windbreaker ba? Ano ba? Tawag nila doon. This is the mic cap. Yan, sige na nga. Basahin ko na yung yung instruction manual. Yan. Kasi supposedly natatanggal to and napapalitan. Is it this PC? No, don't wanna break it. So, meron pa rin pala guys na extra battery. So, meron siyang dalawang battery. And, ayan. So, you can actually press the two buttons and flip it like that. Subukan natin kung mag-on ha. So, this is the power button. Nice. Ooh, tanggalin na natin siya. Ayan. So, initial setup. Ayan. Siguro bilhan ko na lang ng lens protector. Pero, ayan, para feel natin yung English, next, anyway. Yeah, kailangan i-download pa in-setup guys. So, ayun, pinapakita ko lang naman kung what's inside. So, dito natin yung mga mounts nakabit sa ilalim. It's a bit heavier than the DJI. Parang Action 5 kasi yung sa akin eh. Okay. Tapos, ayun. Itong lens din is interchangeable. May mga special lenses. Ano kaya to? Yeah, hindi ko sure. Pero anyway, sige, silipin natin. Baka nandito. What is it? What is it? No, hindi siya indicated. Anyway, ayun. So, i-off muna natin. And then, may isa pa. Parang kulang. Actually, may dalawa pa. This is the flip screen hood. Ayan, so, buksan na rin natin, of course. Just an accessory. You can actually connect it. Pero parang tinitape ata to eh. So, I don't know kung parang magiging permanent siya if kinabit. Pero this is to help, for example, you're filming on a sunny day. Wait lang guys. Oh, this is hard to open. Okay. Yeah, continue lang. So guys, if you haven't, please like and leave a comment and please subscribe. Siyempre makakatulong din sa atin yan pag meron tayong more subscribers and more interactions. Yeah. So, what's inside? Pull it. Of course, more documentation. Yeah. And what else is in here? Documentation and protector application kit. Yeah, kasi diba sabi ko dinidikit nga siya. So, pasok muna natin. You need this para iset sakto yung pag-apply dun sa mismo shield. Tapos, it's something like this. Yeah, something. Kasi ididikit mo siya dito eh. Para, it's like, yeah, you open it like that. Ang galing. And then you close it. So, parang nakadikit siya dito sa screen. And then, if you open it, bawa, maaraw, it will parang cover it para kita mo pa rin. But I'm not sure if I want to really connect this. Pero, tingnan natin. Okay. And then, last but not the least is yung Explorer Grip Pro Kit. So, Ito yung isang reason why I got a combo. Kasi if you buy this separately, kasama yung camera, halos konti na lang din. I wanted the printer also, so this is the best, kumbaga combo. Although, madami pa siyang available na combo guys. Meron yung mga for filmmakers. Pero, ang mas concentration nun is mga filters, which I feel na I'm not gonna use. And or, I feel na I could just get the kumbaga filter na I will need eventually kung siseryosohin ko talaga yung pag-film. But for now, yan, okay to. So this is better than the original na na grip because yan, more documentation. Because this one actually has battery. So baka nga mas malaki pa yung battery na kasama nito than the actual camera. Ayun. And also, meron siyang kasi kakabit siya sa USB-C nito. So, parang meron talaga siyang Bluetooth control. Ayan. And, ayun umiilaw na siya. So, you know na, may battery siya. So, yeah, this is very nice to hold. Anyways, subukan natin. Pero the thing is, kapag ginamit mo to, hindi na siya magiging waterproof. So, that's important to note, guys. So, at least alam natin na nabubuhay yung camera and ayoko talaga magbasa ng So, alam i-figure out siya. So, I know na we're supposed to kind of, wait lang, remove this. Matatanggal kasi ito eh. So, how do you remove? Oop. Guys, natatakot akong tanggalin. Magbabasa muna ako ng manual. Anyway, this is the Ace Pro Insta360. And it's such a mouthful. Insta360 Ace Pro 2 Flash Print Bundle. So guys, this is the unboxing. I need a lot of time para laruin to. So dito muna natin i-end ang ating video. Again, this is Doc Neo saying be informed, stay inspired. I'll see you in my next unboxing. Bye-bye!